morning, everyone. Welcome back. Hope you guys are having and safe at home. Today's lesson, we're going to go over power of a monomial. So what's the power of a monomial? So to find the power of a power, we have to multiply the exponents. Multiply the exponents. So all we have to do is, let's say I have 5 to the second exponent and to the third exponent. So what we're talking is there's an exponent and there's another exponent on top. So when you have that kind of cases, all you have to do is multiply the exponents. You multiply these two. So that's going to be 5 is the base, 2 times 3, which is 5 to the sixth exponent. So that's the answer for that. Also, we can verify this one too, this way. It's a 5 to the second exponent times 5 to the second exponent times 5 to the second exponent. We know that's the same base. We keep the base, add the exponents, 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is same as 5 to the sixth exponent. So we can verify in both directions. So what is the rule for this one now is it's a to the m to the power n. It's going to get a to the n times n. So this is the rule. When you have exponent to the exponent, you have to multiply the exponents. Question says simplify using laws of exponents. So when it simplify laws of exponents, we see there's an exponent and then there's another exponent on top. So we simply multiply the exponents. So a to the 4 times 3, which is a to the 4 times 3 is 12. That's the answer for that. Another example. So we have a k to the 7 to the fifth exponent. So I can multiply the exponents. So k is the base. We will leave it like that. 7 times 5 is 35. So that's the answer for this question. Where you have an exponent to the exponents, you multiply the exponents. Now let's look into the second rule. The next rule is power of a product. To find the power of a product, to find the power of each factor and to multiply. So what does that mean? Let's say if I have an example, 6x to the second exponent to the third exponent. So what I have is there's no exponent. That means there's always one is here. Okay. So now let's multiply this exponent to the each individual exponent. So what I can write is 6 to the third exponent and then x to the second exponent to the third exponent. So I can write it, this is 6 to the third, and multiply these two, which is 6. Or I can write it 6 to the third is 216, x to the 6. So this simplifies to this. So let's write it as a rule. If I have a, b to the exponent of m, I can write a to the m and then b to the n. So I distributed or multiplied each exponent to that. Some questions using this second rule. So I have the question is 4p to the third exponent to the fourth exponent. So what I can write is 4 to the one exponent and then p to the third exponent to the power to the 4. All I have to multiply the exponents. So I'm going to multiply the exponents, which I'm going to get 4 to the 1 times 4, which is 4, and then p to the 3 times 4, which is I can write as 12. So 4 to the fourth exponents is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. I'm going to write it one more time for you guys, but we already know this one from the previous lessons. P to the 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16 is 256. P to the 12th exponent. One more question on this type of problems. So I see as negative 2 m to the 7 n to the 6 to the fifth exponent. So negative 2 doesn't have an exponent. So we're going to write it 1 as an exponent. So let's distribute the negative 5 to the all three exponents. So it's going to get negative 2 to the fifth exponent, and then m to the 7 fifth exponent, and then n to the 6 fifth exponent. So let's do this. So negative 2 to the fifth exponent means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which is going to get you negative 32. And then m to the multiply 7 and 5, which is 35. And then n to the multiply 6 and 5, which is 30. Let's see the answer for this question. Learned today. Just a reminder, what we learned today so far is today is the power of power. That's the first rule. We multiply the exponents. And then the next one is power of a product. So these two are the rules we learned today. And please complete the work related to this video. And please also subscribe and like, so that way future videos you will get a notification. All right, guys, be safe. I'll see you guys next.